Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where learning English is easy, fun, and sometimes a little too honest. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul, the man still trying to learn English fast without a teacher.
Oh no, Paul. Are you saying you're your own teacher now?
Exactly. I look in the mirror and say, repeat after me.
And does your reflection listen?
Not really. He always talks back at the same time.
All right. So today's big question is, can you really learn English fast without a teacher?
Ooh, big question. And I think many people want the answer.
Yes, because not everyone can go to an English class or hire a tutor.
True, some people learn from YouTube, podcasts, or apps like Learn English Easy Way.
Exactly. So, maybe it is possible.
But Emily, be honest. Can you really learn fast without a teacher?
I'd say yes, but with conditions.
Conditions, like a secret rule book.
Not secret, Paul, just realistic. If you're learning alone, you need discipline, motivation, and good methods.
So, no teacher, no pressure, but lots of self-control. Uh-oh.
Exactly. That's where many people struggle.
Yeah, I think I'm motivated for one day, and then Netflix calls my name.
That's the problem. Learning alone can be easy to start, but hard to continue.
True. The first day I'm like, I'll study 2 hours every morning. And the next day I'm like, maybe just 5 minutes after breakfast.
Yes, consistency is key. Even 20 minutes a day can make a big difference if you do it every day.
Really? Just 20 minutes?
Yes, it's better to study a little every day than 5 hours once a week.
Like exercise. You can't do 200 push-ups once a month and call it fitness.
Exactly. Your brain needs daily practice.
So, what are the best ways to learn without a teacher?
Well, first, listening. Podcasts, YouTube videos, English shows. Listen every day.
I do that. I watch movies in English, but with subtitles.
That's great. Just make sure you're listening carefully, not only reading the subtitles.
So, no subtitles?
Not always. Try English subtitles instead of your language. That way you connect sound and spelling.
Oh, smart. So my ears and eyes work together.
Exactly. And when you learn new words, try to use them.
Use them. Like in daily life?
Yes. For example, if you learn the word delicious, say it when you eat something tasty.
This pizza is delicious. I did it.
Perfect example.
Step 1, eat pizza. Step 2, speak English. Step 3, success.
That's not exactly what I meant. But okay, good start.
What about grammar? That's the scary part for me.
Many learners feel that way. But grammar doesn't have to be difficult.
How?
Learn grammar through examples, not rules. For instance, listen to native speakers and notice patterns.
Like, I'm going, he's eating, instead of memorizing rules.
Exactly, Paul. You're learning naturally, the way children learn.
Maybe I can learn fast without a teacher after all.
Yes, if you're curious, motivated, and practice every day.
You forgot one thing.
What's that?
Courage. The courage to speak even when you make mistakes.
That's a very good point. Most learners are afraid to speak because they fear being wrong.
But I'm not afraid. I make mistakes proudly, all the time.
That's the spirit. Making mistakes means you're learning.
So I'm basically a genius in progress.
Let's call it work in progress.
I'll take that.
So let's sum it up. Can you learn English fast without a teacher?
I'd say yes. If you study daily, listen a lot, speak often, and don't give up.
Perfect. You just became the teacher now.
Class, repeat after me. I can learn English fast.
I can learn English fast.
And you can too.
Exactly. You don't need a teacher every time, but you do need effort, consistency, and confidence.
And a little help from Learn English Easy Way.
Of course. We're your friendly English partners, always here to guide you.
So tell us in the comments, how do you learn English? Do you study alone or with a teacher?
We'd love to hear your story.
Remember, you're your best teacher. You just have to believe it.
And practice every day.
Thank you for listening to Learn English Easy Way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning English the easy way.